it is crucial to make the right diagnostic in order to decide on the treatment. This does not only apply to people, but also for bridges and buildings. Introducing Irmos Technologies. Our software was developed by our 4 co-founders, Panayotis, Yves, Christos and I, Cyprien. We maximize the safe life of bridges and buildings in Switzerland and all over the world based on structural data.
Did you know that over 50% of our bridges have exceeded the lifespan they were originally designed for? But just because they weren't foreseen to last longer, it does not mean they cannot. Closing bridges, tearing them down or retrofitting them without an actual need is not only costly, but also causes unnecessary damage to our environment.
On the other hand, it is not safe to build up on bridges and buildings if they are in fact damaged. This is where we at Irmos come into the picture. We provide the software to determine which expired infrastructure is still going strong. To paint the picture, in medicine, a doctor measures a patient's vital signals to formulate a firm diagnosis. In our case, we measure the necessary internal information of the structural condition. With this information, we are able to provide the engineer with a tool for reliable assessment of its condition and budget-friendly maintenance solutions.
So far, the monitoring of bridges and buildings relies on visual inspections. Not only are those subjective, but also time-consuming and inconclusive, as they only evaluate the visible and accessible parts of structures. Irmos provides a solution based on over a decade of research. Our software enables the monitoring of bridges and buildings by measuring their vibrations due to wind or traffic, and then by translating those into structural condition metrics. Thanks to those metrics, maintenance planners are able to better assess the structure and define efficient renovation strategies.
Irmos Technologies therefore helps maximizing the operational life of buildings and bridges and reducing downtimes. Furthermore, we minimize the environmental footprint of structures, since 40% of global CO2 emissions are attributed to the construction industry.
We put innovation and sustainability into practice. We have already deployed our solution in mainland Europe, and we're about to expand to the rest of Europe, the US and Asia.